You guys, we have the food delivery. Oh, if you're in the Bay Area and you know how to fix holes in the walls, comment below. I need your services. A handyman. All right, guess what? The Brothels said that there's food delivery. Let's see what they. Quiet and play. All right, guys. When you have neighbors like mine who bring you food when your fridge is broke and they know you need it, Royals, I love you. Oh, and the Royals are lawyers. So if you need a lawyer in the Bay Area, comment below. She'll fix all your problems. Alright, now, guys, let's see what they gave us. Oh, the Wall of Honor. Alright, guys, let's do the, I am so blessed. I love you, Gigi. My golden girls. All right, here we go. What did they put? Oh my God, you guys, wait. I don't know how much weight I lost, but not having a refrigerator did me some justice. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Mr. C. Alright. I'm having too much fun. Alright. The Royals also sent tortillas. Did you guys see my little new art that we're working on? I don't know where to put you guys. No. It's too hot. Let's see the back. There you go. Alright, what else? It's a vegan dish. My neighbors, the Royals, her birthday, Pie Day, March 14th. She went vegan. She apologized in advance for no meat, but I love it. Wow, look at this. All right. What did you guys have for dinner? Comment below. I want to know. This is exposure therapy with me. The Bay Area backyard bee. That's a good avocado. I love you guys. Wishing you all well. And the Royals, my neighbors, I love all of you.